Upcoming specs and features of Motorola One Power. After Moto X4, Motorola One Power will be the second Lenovo device to have Android One installed. That is a stock version of the operating system supported directly by Google, with fast and constant long-term updates. A recent post published by a leakster on Twitter revealed the main specs of the device. But now another specs leak is showing a slightly different specs sheet. Now, either one of the two leaks is wrong or they are exposing two different variants of the handset. From what the new leaked image has revealed, Motorola One Power will come with a wide 6.2-inch display showing images at a full HD+ resolution of 2280 by 1080 pixels. There will also be a notch and very narrow bezels. But there will be a chin, and it will include the Motorola logo. This phone will be a competitor of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, as it will sport an octa-core Snapdragon 636 processor by Qualcomm, paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. If previous reports have to be believed, it will also come in a configuration with 6GB of RAM. On the rear side, there will be a dual camera setup in a vertical configuration, which will include sensors with 12 and 5 megapixels resolutions, with f1.8 and f2.0 aperture respectively. The LED flash has been placed exactly in the middle of the two sensors. There is also a circular fingerprint reader with the Motorola logo embedded. Given that it will be powered by Android One, the operating system installed will obviously be Android 8.1 Oreo. That is the latest version available, while the battery will have a high capacity of 3780 mAh. Do you think Motorola One Power will affect the sales of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, and become one of the most wanted mid-rangers of 2018? Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates in future. And also like and share this video.